So now we're going to have some to show you the types of matrices we can have. So this is raw matrix. Okay, an example of raw matrix could be this row. This is a row matrix, okay, horizontal row. We could have a column matrix. We could have something like this. If you go for square matrix, and an example of square matrix, we can have this type of matrix. This is a square matrix, and this is the dimension 3 by 3 times 3. Okay, and let's see another example. And what is a diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix, okay. So for a diagonal matrix, it should be something like this. It's quite close to the identical matrix, but the thing is we're not gonna have one. We have only some other numbers. Okay, so this is a diagonal matrix. You can see that is why we're calling it diagonal matrix. Now let's go with a scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? For example, we got something like this. It's like identical matrix times something. You can see we have 5 all the way down and up. This is what we call a scalar matrix. It's actually we got the same number. Okay, it's similar to the diagonal one. So let me just show you now what is identity matrix. Okay, a identity matrix will be something like this. This is an identity matrix. You can see we have 1 in the middle here. Okay, now when we talk about zero matrix, okay, a zero matrix, it's something we only have 0 inside the matrix, something like this. This is a zero matrix. Now let's see this other example, transpose matrix. And the transpose matrix, let's go with a simple example, a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and to represent this transpose matrix, we could just let's do this. This is a transpose matrix. You can see we have converted the row into column and this row into column. That's what we call transpose matrix. And then let's see another one, which could be lower determinant matrix. This is another type, 2 3 1 0 0 5 0. And then let's say there is also upper determinant matrix. And for this type, we'll have something like this. -3. Okay, so this is to give you an example, and if you have to know, this is the lower matrix, and the reason why we're calling this one hypermatrix, it's because of that. Okay, and in summary, these are the type of matrix. Just see all the types of matrix we could have. Okay, so just to give you an idea, and the reason why we call this one square matrix is like column 1, column 3, 2, column 3, row 1, row 2, row 3. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix dimension. Okay, and this is what we have, and these are the types of matrix.